Hello and welcome in this video. For this exercise, this is integral of 2x plus 6 power 5 dx, and we would like to use the method by substitution. So if you want to give a try, please pause the video. Otherwise, let's see the solution. When you want to solve an integral with the method by substitution, you want to simplify this integral, and most of the time what you want to simplify, that is between parentheses or what is below the root or something like this. So in this case we are going to simplify what is between parentheses. So first step, this is to call u 2x plus 6. Step number 2, we would like to derivate. So we got du equals to 2 dx. Then you express dx function of du, and you got dx equals to 1/2 du. Then you plug everything in this integral and you transform an integral function of x into an integral function of u. And you got integral of u power 5 times 1/2 du. 1/2, this is a constant number, so you could put this constant number outside of the integral, and you got 1/2 integral of u power 5 du. So now you calculate an antiderivative, and this is u power 6 over 6. So this is 1/12. 12 is 2 times 6. U power 6 plus a constant number, c. So remember, when you go from an indefinite integral into an antiderivative, you need to add c. And then, at the beginning, you substitute 2x plus 6 by u. So now it's time to substitute back, and you end up with 1/12 times 2x plus 6 power 6 plus c. So this is the final answer. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in a next video.